English grammar rules to remember. One of the most difficult things about learning a new language is learning the grammar rules. And while English grammar can seem quite easy compared to some languages, a small mistake can easily change the meaning of what you want to say. So here's a list of some important rules that you should keep in mind when you speak and write English. 1. Adjectives and adverbs. Make sure you use adjectives and adverbs correctly. Adjectives describe, identify and quantify people or things and usually go in front of a noun. They don't change if the noun is plural. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs and usually come after the verb. For example, he's a slow driver. Adjective, he drives slowly. Adverb, most adverbs are created by adding "ly" to an adjective as in the example, but a few adverbs are irregular, such as fast, adjective, fast, adverb, hard, adjective, hard, adverb, good, adjective, well, adverb. For example, your English is good. You speak English well. 2. Pay attention to homophones. Homophonic words are words that are pronounced in the same way as other words but have different meanings, even if they are spelled differently. This can obviously create confusion, and unfortunately there are many of these words in English. So when you're writing, be careful to choose the right spelling. And when you listen, remember that a word you think you understood may have another meaning. Try to understand that meaning from the context.